This video will introduce Google Scholar, how to find sources using Google Scholar, and how to determine if the full text of the sources are available through Goucher. Google Scholar is a way to find research articles using Google. In order to retrieve the full text articles available through Goucher, you need to configure Google Scholar. Go to scholar.google.com, select the 3-bar menu icon, look for the Settings link or gear icon and select. Select Library Links. Search for Goucher in the search box. Check all the boxes for Goucher College options and select Save. I'm going to do a general search on sportsmanship. I don't want articles as far back as 1986, so I'm going to ask for articles between 2011 and 2021. The reason I'm saying 2021 is because some articles that will be published in print in 2021 are already out electronically, and I don't want to miss those articles. So on the left, click on Custom Range and type in 2011 through 2021 and search. If an item is available through Goucher, the words Full Text at Goucher Library will appear as a link in the right margin. Let's look at the first article. Click on the link Full Text at Goucher Library. This takes you to WorldCat through the Goucher Library website. Click on the link View Full Text. You will then be asked for your Goucher credentials. Once you log in, you will see the citation for the article in one of the Goucher databases. In this case, APA Psych articles. The article is available in PDF format, which means the article will look just like it would look in the journal itself. It is the best option, better than HTML, if you think there are going to be graphs or charts, because it will be easier to read. I click on the PDF link and the article opens up. To get the citation for the article, I go to Cite, on the right side of the screen, and then scroll down to the APA format. So here is the citation. Since these citations are computer generated, you always need to check the formatting. The title of the article in this citation is in sentence case already, just as APA requires. Sportsmanship Coaching Behavior Scales would be capitalized because it's the name of a scale. So in this citation, you would not need to edit the title of the article. The title of the journal is in italics, and the volume number is also in italics. The issue number and the page numbers are formatted correctly. This article has a DOI, so that means you can just leave the ending of the citation the way it is. The citation looks pretty good. You could just copy and paste it right onto a Word document or wherever you are keeping your list of references. If I go back to the list of citations in Google Scholar, in addition to the articles marked Full Text at Goucher Library, sometimes you'll see PDF or HTML on the side. What that usually means is that either the author or the author's institution has made the article available to the public. Sometimes the article is a draft of the article that will eventually be published. For instance, this article was published in the Journal of Physical Education, Recreation, and Dance in 2017. The 2017 issue of the journal is not in Goucher's holdings. If you want a copy of the article as it appears in the journal, you would either need to purchase it or request that Goucher get you a copy through interlibrary loan. However, a version of the article is available. Click on the PDF link to retrieve the article. This version of the article might be sufficient for your needs. You will need to indicate the status of the article in your citation. You can find directions for formatting a citation in APA 7 style on the Ed 605 site in Canvas, in the Library Resources section, or on the Ed 615 site in Canvas, in the Resources section. Information on APA 7 is part of the document, Additional Information to Help with Ed 615 Research Paper.